Okay, so first thing up on the list is my ring light here. Oh, by the way, every product I talk about in this video is gonna be in the description box, so you can check all the current pricing there. I'll tell you what I paid for it or whatever, but the current pricing will definitely be down in the links. I think it costs about $104 on Amazon. So far, it is really awesome. So it looks like a typical ring light. Some are just built with better quality. They all pretty much look the same. Some are just built with better quality. This one right here, I like this one because of the build quality. The last one I had, it was kind of flimsy. Like I'm pushing on it right here like this, but that's because I'm putting force on it. But the other one, it wouldn't even sit up straight sometimes. You had to really crank down on all of the knobs here to get it to sit in one spot. This one is actually really sturdy. You get a lot of value here. It comes with the diffuser already attached. Yeah, I've never even bothered to take it off, but it comes with it already attached. You don't need to change it out if you want to change the color hue of your light because it's already built into the LEDs here. So leave this attached when you get it, but it does come with this tripod, which gets up pretty high. Don't even feel the need to raise it up that high, but we'll go ahead and test it out right now. Let's loosen up these right here, and it gets up really high. So I'm guessing probably about 6 feet or so. I don't want to stretch it out because then I'll start messing up my video shot. So this is what the ring light looks like on the surface. Before I turn it around, let me show you some of the accessories you get with it. First, you get these 2 1/4-inch cold shoe adapters here. You got one that's a fixed position. It's just straight up and down. It slides into the back of here just like that. And then you can mount your camera or your phone on top of here. And I'll get to that phone part in just a minute. Or you have a ball head mount right here. This is a cold shoe ball head mount, and you can mount it the same way, but now you have different positions in which you can adjust the ball head to. So I've never seen them come with more than one. It usually just comes with a ball head. This one actually comes with a fixed position 1/4-inch adapter. That way, if you're just doing YouTube videos on like beauty and stuff like that, or you're just facing the camera, no action shots or nothing like that, it's cool that you don't even have to invest money on a separate tripod to use this thing because it's already built into the system. That's a win right there. That's actually saving you a minimum of about $40 to $60 on a budget tripod. So that's cool that it comes with 2 of these, depending on what your needs are. It also comes with this cell phone mount. Now I have a Galaxy Note 8 and it fits nice and snug in there just fine. And it also swivels actually it swivels 360 degrees. So you can fit your phone in there via landscape or in portrait mode, whichever kind of mode you're shooting in. Now, if you want to be a YouTuber, let me tell you right now, if you're shooting YouTube videos and you're shooting in portrait, you need to pack up your little bags and stop shooting because portrait is stupid. Don't do that. Anyways, it comes with this, and that's a huge win because once you, let me take this fixed mount right here. Once you screw this fixed cold shoe adapter on here, let me just screw it in loosely, and then I will put it right in the top of here. So now once you've got it fixed to the light, it's actually there and you can see yourself in the camera while it's recording you. So that's cool that that's all built in just like that. I'll go ahead and leave that right there as I talk about the next accessory. I'm not sure what I would use this Velcro strap for, but I'm sure it'll come in handy for something else. But it also comes with a carrying bag. So if you're going out on location or something, or you just need to store your stuff in a nice, neat place, it comes with a carrying bag. And that's a lot of value for something like this because this could easily get broken if somebody tripped over it or if you had to leave it out. Most people doing YouTube videos don't have a dedicated studio or spot where they can just leave all their gear up. So to be able to just fold this thing up real easy, put it in the bag is a huge bonus. Let me put that over there. Now let's turn this bad boy around because that's where it gets interesting. So as I turn it around, what you'll see here is an LED screen. So let me just go ahead and turn it on with the on switch. And right here, you have this nice bluish LED screen and it's got different hues. Can you see that back there? Okay, so let me just turn it around real quick. Oh my God, that's so bright. So look at the brightness in this thing. Where is it at? It's at 100% right now. Yeah, it's at 100% at 5800 Kelvin. Now it does get higher than 5800 Kelvin, which is basically broad daylight, like on a sunny day. But it also has a little switch back here where you tap the center button and then you can adjust the warmth of the color. So you can bring it down to like 3800. Yeah, okay, 3000 Kelvin. So you see how warm that light is? It's super bright right now, and then you just kind of turn it down that way. Hold on, I'm going blind here. Hold on. Okay, let me turn it down. So I got the yellowy warm light going right now. So let's just turn it back to daylight. So I'll hit this button back here. Let me show you. So I hit this button back here and the Kelvins start blinking, and then you can bring it all the way back up to 5800. Now I did say it goes up past 5800, but that's when you got to make a separate purchase for the remote. The remote can get it a little bit higher. This one's really cool because if you needed to buy more than one and you needed all the lights to be on the same setting, you can actually group them together. It has a group button right here and it has a channel button right here. So you can group them into either channel 1, 2, or 3, or group A, B, C, D, or E, and stuff like that. And they would all work in sync together. That's pretty cool on a light like this, especially at this price range. Now, this is not battery powered, so it's not necessarily portable. You do see my DC power plug right here, which it does come with, so that's a huge bonus. Now, this remote is a totally separate purchase. I can't remember how much it costs. Link is in the description, but it's a super handy tool. As you see, it has a little built-in lanyard right here, just in case you need to walk around with it. But you can control this thing wirelessly from afar, and that's a huge bonus. I never even thought of the idea of just controlling the lights wirelessly. I was just so used to doing it like Stone Age style, just going up to it, hitting the button, getting it right. But sometimes when you sit down and shoot your video, the lighting just ain't right. So what you do is is it connected? Yeah, it's already connected. So right now from here, I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn it around. That is so cool. So from here, it's got a dial on it and you can just dial it up or dial it down. And like I said, it does go above 5,800 Kelvin. So right now I'm going to take it up to 8,000 Kelvin. Good Lord, that is bright. Let me bring it back down to 5,800. Ooh, man, that is so bright. Now let me bring down the brightness to 1%. Oh my God, the things I do for you guys, my eyes, I can see circles. Anyways, so you got a power button right here, but the power button here is for the remote only. You got a channel button. So like I said, when it has a channel and a group button. So like I said, if you're grouping these together in like a group of 2, 3, or 4, all the lights can be controlled by this, and that prevents you from having to go around to each and every light and set all the settings. It's automatically synced up on this remote. And of course, you got your quick brightness button right there. Is that cool or what? Man, this remote right here, this is a game changer. For a budget ring light like this build quality, and then you purchase the remote separately. So you basically for about $130, you got this lighting setup, which is a killer YouTube lighting setup. But that's all I got for lighting. If you're just getting started out, about $135 bucks, so you got both of these and you're good to go.